Nice snag, Kitty. Now, bring that blimp over to me. Oh, get back here! Kitties, help! Phew! Now, to tow this weather changer back to Foggy Bottom.
Ryder, my wonderful weather balloon, Blimp, has been whisked away by wild winds.
Mayor Humdinger took it. We'll get it back. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Look, Mayor Humdinger and the Blimp Snatchers.
Whoa! Whoa, kitties, pull me back down! Hey, that sheep will weigh us down. Or maybe not. Ryder, Blimpy's weather tech is telling me
A big blustery breeze will be blowing back toward the bay in barely a bit.
Looks like Blimpy's taking his passengers right towards the bay. Sky, don't let that flyaway blimp out of your sight.
Ryder, we have a problem.
I see it, Sky. Land your copter on top of the blimp and see if you can turn it around.
I'm on it. Ryder, we cleared the bridge. Oh no, the wind!
Everyone, grab that sail. You can open your eyes now, Mr. Mayor. You're safe. And now it's time to return Blimpy to its rightful owner.
Blimpy! Oh, I've missed you! Thanks, Sky, and thanks to the whole pack of PAW Patrol pups.
Whenever you have a problem, just yelp for help.
Rusty's Mysterious Mystery. Bites is full of energy today.
Hey, kids!
Hi, Officer Carl. What's up?
I need you to put a special holder on my hovercycle.
Sure thing. You mean like a cup holder?
Actually, I need it to hold something way more special than a cup. I need it to hold this.
Whoa, that's cool. But what is it?
It's a sculpture. I made it.
I didn't know you were an artist.
Oh, yeah. Sculptures, paintings, macaroni art. I can do it all. I love to express myself through art.
And this one's your favorite?
Yes, indeed. It's my lucky sculpture. I couldn't do my job without it.
What's the bear head for?
Because bear heads are cool. Yes, we are. And I've also heard they're lucky. Anyway, I always carry it under my hat.
So you need a holder. No problem. We can put the holder over here. Perfect. I'll go measure the sculpture. Didn't you leave your sculpture over here, Officer Carl?
It's gone! Hey! Maybe it's inside the bin. Nope, not here. Not under there. I don't see it anywhere.
This is a real mystery.
Ooh, a mystery, you say? Well, luckily I'm a trained officer of the law. I'll solve this in no time. Wait, I can't solve this. My lucky sculpture is gone.
You can solve this, Officer Carl, and we can help.
Well, thanks.
I'll use my tablet to scan for clues. Look, wheel tracks.
Wheel tracks. Aha! Mystery solved! I know exactly what happened. These wheel tracks prove that my lucky sculpture was taken by a team of very clever hamsters driving teeny tiny motorcycles.
Well, actually, those look like Bite's tracks. Maybe he took your sculpture.
See what I mean? I don't have any good ideas without my sculpture.
That's not true. You're still a terrific police officer. Yeah. In fact, why don't you talk to Bites?
Well, I am pretty good at asking questions. Bites, did you take my sculpture?
What he means is, did you take something about this big? With a bear head on it?
But why? Because you're a master robot dog art thief? Is that it?
Bites, did you maybe think it was a bone?
Yep, that's definitely it. Knowing Bites, he probably buried it.
In the dirt? My sculpture? But dirt is so dirty!
Look, there's a hole right over there.
Oh, boy! Come to Daddy, my precious sculpture. It's not here. It's gone. Ooh, can you smell it, Bites? Go on, boy.
Look, my scanner found footprints.
Those prints seem to come from a pair of very small sneakers.
Very small sneakers? That sounds like...
Yes, a sneaker-wearing art thief with incredibly tiny feet. Probably named Tinyfoot Jones.
Liam wears sneakers. Maybe it was him.
Or Liam. That makes more sense.
Nyar, nyar! Surrender, Earthlings! Look out, Emperor Bob! The bear alien from planet Blargon is attacking! No! The space bear is defeated! To the Fortress of Awesomeness for snack time! Wow, 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 wow!
That'll be perfect!
Liam, wait! Oh, hey, guys! Wait, I mean, what do you need, Earthlings?
We were wondering if you saw Officer Carl's sculpture laying around.
It's got a bear head. You mean Space Bear of the Intergalactic Blargonian Empire. Come on! Hey, it's gone!
Oh, not again! Maybe real bear aliens kidnapped my sculpture to make it their leader.
Really?
No, probably not. If I had my lucky sculpture, I would have found my lucky sculpture already. I should give up police work.
You don't need your lucky sculpture to be a good police officer.
I guess. Maybe Ranger Anna knows who took it.
Ranger Anna! Great spot, Officer Carl!
Come on.
Ranger Anna! Have you seen Officer Carl's sculpture?
A sculpture? No, I don't think so. But I did find a cute thingamajig that I thought would make a great toy for the penguins.
What did it look like?
Like a big piece of bacon with a bear head. Somebody just left it in a tree.
A big piece of bacon? That's my lucky bacon! I mean sculpture! To the penguins!
Nope, nothing here about penguins.
Oh no! It's gone! My precious sculpture is gone forever! No! Oh wait, there it is.
A seagull took it.
Why would it do that?
I know why. It looks like a clam.
It does not look like a clam!
Well, the flat part kind of looks like a shell, so the seagull must think it's a clam. Seagulls love clams.
Oh good! Then he won't hurt it.
Oh, actually, they love to smash clams on the ground to eat what's inside.
What? No!
Don't worry, Officer Carl. Ruby and I can build something that will fly up and get the sculpture back.
Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with the BitBat 9000.
Then add 2 hands to grab the sculpture gently.
And finally, we'll add rockets so it can fly fast. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Sculpture Grabber 900. don't worry. You and I will get your sculpture back.
Yes, you and I will... What? I'm going up in that thing, too?
I need someone to work the grabber arm while I fly.
You can do it, Officer Carl. We know you can.
Hop on in. Blast off!
Have fun!
Hey, this is kind of fun.
Just use that control to move the grabber arms.
Woo!
And there's the seagull. Get ready, Officer Carl. We are go for grabbing.
I'll be as precise as possible. I missed.
That's all right. I can get close to him again.
Oh, no! I missed!
No problem.
No! That's it! You can do it! Yeah!
Hey! That's a beautiful and useful piece of art! Not a clam! You can't eat it! No! Does this thing have turbo mode, Rusty?
It has deluxe turbo mode. Hang on. Woohoo! Get ready to catch it.
I'm not sure I can!
You can do it. If you don't, it'll break.
Did it!
Great catch.
Yippee!
You got your sculpture back, safe and sound.
And you did it without the sculpture's help.
Oh, I owe it all to you kids.
No, you helped the whole time. You had Bites sniff for the sculpture. And you saw Ranger Anna driving away at the park. And you saved the sculpture from being smashed.
You're right. Huh. Now that I finally got my lucky sculpture back, I guess I don't need it after all.
You don't need anything to be a great police officer. You're great, all on your own.
Aw, thanks, kids. You guys are pretty great, too. You make the best rocket ships. Can we fly it some more?
Of course.
All right!
Want to take it for a spin, Ruby?
Oh, yeah. Blast off! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Top time!
Today's mega mission goes to Farmer Faye.
Clickety-clack! How about that?
Big Bart needs a big bath. You fill up a special full-size bathtub with water from Port Station and deliver it to Farm Station so Clay and May can give Bart a bath.
And I'll ride along to make sure you and the bathroom car stay in tip-top shape. Happy to have you aboard, Liza.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Ready to haul, yo! Ahoy, Skipper! We're here for the water.
Lowering giant bucket. A rubber ducky for Bart to play with.
Aww. Bye, Skipper! Now we just need to get Bart into the tub.
We have a surprise to help with that.
Oh no! Runaway tub! Hurry, Faye! Bart's going so fast he'll fly right up Corkscrew Curve! Mega Lasso activate! Gotcha! Nice tub wrangling, Faye! Now let's get Bart back to Farm Station. Done and delivered!
We figured out a way to make getting a bath fun for Bart. Hit it, Larry!
Opera music! It's Bart's favorite!
Let's visit Mr. Porter. Maybe he'll let us sample the yummiest chili in the world.
Sorry, Mayor Goodway. You'll have to wait till tonight to try my chili.
Your chili, Mayor Humdinger?
I'll have you know I've been working very hard to win this competition.
Achoo! Achoo!
Oh, Mr. Porter! Are you all right?
I'm okay, but achoo! My stove went kablooey. Achoo! And my chili went all over. Achoo! And all this chili powder went up my achoo!
Nose?
Yes.
What a shame. I suppose Foggy Bottom automatically wins.
Oh, hardly. The contest ends at 6 tonight, remember?
Hey, Mayor Goodway, what's up?
Mr. Porter's chili, that's what. Oh, it's up and down and all over the place. His stove went kablooey.
We're on our way. No job is too big, no pup is too small.
Bad news. The stove's heating element is busted.
But how can we win with a broken stove and a chef who can't stop sneezing?
Why don't we make cowboy chili the cowboy way over a campfire? Rocky, can you make one of these campfire tripods?
Sure, I know just what to use.
Rubble, use your shovel to dig a campfire pit.
Rubble on the double.
This is the best chili I've ever tasted.
Rusty's Yardcade Game.
Gotcha, Jack. You're it. Oh, man. Come on. Work. Rusty! Why won't this play?
Hey, Liam.
Oh, hi, Rusty. Hi, Ruby. My video game's broken. Can you help? Sure thing. What game are you playing? Big Robot versus Ninja, but I can't get past level 1. I'm not very good at it. How do you play? Well, the game's not working, so I'll show you. You be the robots, and I'll be the ninja. You run, and I'll chase you. That could have gone better.
Try over here, Liam.
I'm coming, Rusty. Are you okay, Liam? Yeah, but I told you I was bad at the game. I can't even win when I'm pretending to play. I'm sure you're better than you think. Nope, I'm not. I guess I better stick to playing with my trusty yo-yo. Liam seems pretty sad that he's bad at video games. How can we help?
I know. Let's turn the whole yard into an arcade. Winning a game will totally cheer him up.
Oh, that's a great idea.
One giant yardcade game coming up.
Perfect. Liam, we turned the whole yard into a giant video game just for you.
Really? It's time to play Rusty and Ruby's Yardcade Game. Level 1, Asteroid Blast.
Okay, Liam, here's how you play. You need to throw these beanbags over there at the moving asteroid targets. If you can hit 3 of the asteroids before time runs out, you win. Botosaur is the timer. Got it.
On your mark, get set, throw!
Oh, I got myself. at arcade games either.
Just throw a lot of beanbags, Liam. I'm sure you can hit 3 asteroids, but hurry, time's running out.
I can do it! I hit everything but the asteroids.
That's okay, Liam. Good try.
Yeah, don't give up. I know you'll do great at level 2. Alien invasion.
Ooh, I love aliens and invasions!
Then, Liam, meet your aliens.
Wow!
To win, you have to get across the yard, past all the aliens, and touch that flag.
But if the aliens touch you 3 times, you lose.
And look out for Claw. He's an alien, too.
Okay, got it. I can do this. I'll be a ninja, like in the video game. Oopsie, I tripped.
It happens. He's already been tagged twice, and he just started.
Too bad we can't make him fly like in a real video game.
Oh, we can!
See, still bad at this stuff.
Don't worry, Liam. It's your lucky day. You earned a jetpack power-up.
I have?
Now you can fly to the flag.
No way! Awesome! Blast off!
I hadn't strapped it on yet.
Thanks, guys, but I give up.
Liam, wait! There's one more level, and we have a big surprise for you.
Oh? What is it? No way! That's Big Robot from my video game! Player 1 is ready! Hi!
Nice to meet you. You will never defeat me.
Oh, boy. Okay, I'm going home now. Bye-bye.
You got this, Liam, and we're here to do it with you. All we have to do is push the big button on his chest. Let's go.
Is that all you have got?
Huh, he's faster than I thought.
I can get him. Okay, no problem. Bits, Botosaur bites, push that button. Oh no, he's way too fast.
Cannot get me.
We can't push his off button.
Well, if you guys can't stop him, there's no way I can. Good luck with the giant robot.
Stop me.
Liam, wait.
Oh, now my yo-yo broke too. Can you fix it?
Oh, sure, Liam.
Oh boy.
I'll just turn this screw here. Okay. Move this here. There. That should do it.
Thanks. Ha! Yo-yo! Whoosh! Whoosh! Ha! It works! Thanks! Bye!
Wow! Liam, you're amazing at yo-yoing.
Anyone can yo-yo.
Rusty can't.
I can build giant robotic dinosaurs. But I can't yo-yo. Watch.
Wow, you are right.
Cannot stop me.
Wait, what if you played against Big Robot with your yo-yo? You could use it to turn off his button and win the game.
Ooh, yeah. But I need a longer string and a super tough yo-yo. One that can't break.
We can help with that. Let's combine it
and design it.
We'll start with Claw.
Mount it on the portable frame.
And then make a custom, indestructible deluxe yo-yo. Put it all together, and we've got our plan.
the Yo-Yo Swift Shot 5000!
Yeah! Take it for a spin, Ninja Liam.
Whoa! This is awesome! Yo-yo! Yo-yo!
It has super fast robotic action, an unbreakable titanium yo-yo, and a super long, super strong string.
So you can hit Big Robot's button and turn him off.
This is gonna be the best game ever!
And you're gonna be the best player.
You are unable to stop me! Ha ha!
Get him, Liam!
I will defeat you! Yo-yo! I am Super Mega Ninja Yo-Yo Boy!
Uh-oh. You missed. Oh, wait. No, you did not.
Game over! No robots can stop this, Ninja!
Woohoo! See, Liam? You are good at yardcade games.
Yeah, I did it! Thanks for your help, guys. The arcade game was awesome.
Our pleasure. So, can you teach us some yo-yo tricks?
I'd love to. And do you think I can keep the Yo-Yo Swift Shot 5000?
Of course. You never know when we'll need you to stop Big Robot again.
And we'll fix your video game, too.
Now that I have the Yo-Yo Swift Shot 5000, you don't need to rush. Woohoo!
Painting Pandemonium! Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo!
Let's do this!
You pick up paint from Building Yard Station and deliver it to Farm Station, where you'll give the barn a fresh coat of paint.
And I'll join you. I love to paint.
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Mechanic Milo is on the job!
Time to fill up your paint car.
Thanks, Dusty! It's painting time! Hey! That can't be good! I have an idea! I call this my tractoring! Yay! You did it, Milo! But now the farm's even messier. Okay, piggies, it's cleanup time. All finished, done, and delivered. Our farm! It's beautiful!
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir! Everest and Jake tried to rescue a little penguin and wound up floating out to sea on a homemade bridge. Rocky, I need you to use your tugboat to tow the bridge back where it belongs. Zuma, I'll need you in your thermal flight suit and air-sea jetpack. Paw Patrol's on a roll! We're all in position, Robodog. Release Rocky's tugboat.
Oh, yeah! Yee-haw! Woohoo!
Ready, Ryder?
Everest, fire your grappling hook over to Rocky's tugboat.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go! Grappling hook! Nice shot, Everest!
I'll hook it onto the bridge. Okay, we're good to go!
Something's pulling us backward! Yikes! Whirlpool!
Hang on, everybody. everybody. Rocky, I need you to bark out your tugboat buoy.
Buoy!
Zuma, grab Rocky's buoy and bring it over to Jake.
On my way. Scuba.
Great, Zuma. Now drop the buoy down to Jake. Now you're going to wrap the rope around the bridge and come up on the other side. Okay, Jake, take the rope from Zuma and tie it around the buoy. Now we need that buoy as high as you can get it.
Hooray!
Rusty's Spooky Adventure.
Kids, your spooky adventure walk is set up around Sparkton Hills. Expect some surprises around town and see if you can get past each spooky stop without getting too scared.
We love to be scared. Yes! Yeah.
First stop, the ice cream shop.
The ice cream shop? Oh, no! Is the ice cream okay?
Oh, yes, the ice cream's fine.
Phew, I was scared there for a second.
But something very spooky is happening at the shop. It just might make you ice scream! Ha ha! You kids have fun.
Awesome! Thanks!
So, how spooky do you think this adventure is gonna be?
Why, Ruby? Are you scared?
Me? Scared? What? No. I was wondering how not scared I'm going to be.
I hope it's super spooky. I'm gonna get my camera.
And we should bring flashlights, too, and snacks. Come on.
You two go ahead. I'll catch up. What? I am not scared. I just don't like things that are spooky, which is why I'm going to build a little something to take with me. You'll see. Let's combine it and design it. I'll start with a jetpack harness. Then I'll add a spotlight to help me spot any ghosts. And add a net launcher to trap spooky things. Put them all together, and we got our plan. Modified, customized, rubified. The Ghost Grabber 9000.
If we see any ghosts, I'll take their picture with my super nifty helmet camera.
I've got my flashlight ready. Wow, what is that?
Say hello to the Ghost Grabber 9000.
I don't know what that is, but I need a picture of it.
Are you sure you need something so big?
What do you mean? You've got your gear, and I've got mine.
You're sure you're not scared, right? Because if you are, we don't have to...
Nope, not scared, just prepared.
Okay.
Okay, then. Let's go. You coming?
Coming.
Yeah.
Hey, kids! Welcome to the first stop on your spooky adventure.
Hey, Sammy!
Step right up to the spookiest spot in town. Some things are up when they should be down.
Spooky.
Super spooky.
There has to be a perfectly good explanation for this.
Yeah, like a ghost.
Huh? Ghost? What? Where?
a minute. Your ghost grabber is lighting up a wire. I think there's something in the ceiling. Yep, there's a magnet in the ceiling. It's pulling up everything made of metal. I'll turn it off. Ready, guys?
Hold it! That's right there.
Thanks! Heads up!
No ghost? Aw, man. But at least the ice cream's safe.
That was really fun.
Uh-huh, sure. Well, that was a great spooky adventure. Now, who wants to go home? Everyone, great!
Ah, but more spookiness awaits. There's some ghostly monkey business going on at the animal park. Ranger Anna could use your help. If you dare. Oh, my scary laugh needs a little work.
Welcome to the animal park, where haunted things happen after dark.
Maybe it's the magnet trick again?
No way. Bananas aren't made of metal.
Flying bananas!
Floating bananas are chasing us.
Yeah, that's super spooky! And super awesome! Look, the monkey's hands go right through them.
That proves it. Those are ghost bananas.
Ghost bananas? That's a thing?
If it's too scary, Ruby, we can totally leave.
I'm not scared. I'm prepared. I've got my ghost grabber. Oops.
Oh, Ruby, you caught me. I can't believe you found me and the banana projector. No one ever expects a banana projector.
Aw, you mean there's no such thing as ghost bananas?
Nope, it's just me doing this, trying to scare you guys on the last stop of the spooky adventure. There's no more surprises until next year. Hope you had fun.
We did. Thanks, Mr. Higgins. That spooky adventure was spooktacular.
Yeah, it was fun.
Too bad there weren't any real ghosts. I would have gotten a great picture.
Maybe next year.
Are you sure you'd want to go again, Ruby? It was pretty spooky.
I wasn't scared.
Ooh, look, a ghost.
I think we lost it.
I think we lost it.
I think we lost it. We didn't lose it!
So, does anybody have a plan?
Use your ghost grabber on it.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
But I have to get close to the ghost to use my machine on it. Guys, I have a confession. I am scared.
That's okay, Ruby. Why didn't you just say that in the first place?
I didn't want to be the only one not having fun.
It's okay to admit you're scared. You should have just told us.
Yeah, I should have.
Go! Scared again! Scared again!
Oh no! We're cornered!
Stand back. I'll take care of that ghost.
But aren't you scared?
Yes, scared and prepared. I have to save my friends. You're toast, ghost!
Oops! What do we do now?
I know. We make the ghost grabber really grab ghosts by adding a robo arm to it. I just need a little help from Claw. Claw, toss me that arm. Nice throw, Claw. All right, Ghost Grabber. Let's grab a ghost.
This is awesome! Ruby's standing up to a ghost!
Gotcha!
Where are we?
Ta-da! I hope you liked my surprise spooky twist ending. Nice spooking, Worldster. Were you kids scared?
Oh, yeah!
Very. Me too. I was scared. But it was awesome! Jack?
Thanks, Mr. Higgins, for a spooktacular time.
Yeah, the best part was when Ruby stood up to the ghost for us.
You guys would have done the same thing for me.
No. The only thing I'd stand up to a ghost for is ice cream.
Nate's Castle Hassle. Today's mega mission goes to... Nate! Huzzah! You'll pick up the crowd from Museum Station and deliver it to Queen Jubilee at Central Square Station. Then the medieval festival can officially start. Huzzah!
Huzzah!
Now you're ready to make tracks! Fare thee well! Wow!
Ooh, I have a plan.
Huzzah, Queen Stella!
Stop!
Do you need help, Stella?
Ricky was supposed to pick me up here, but alas, he's missing. Will you help me find him? There he is. Never mind. Bye!
The castle car! That was sneaky.
And tricky.
We reclaim that castle and crown in the name of Queen Jubilee!
I proclaim myself Queen Stella! My crown! My crown!
Got it!
Done and delivered.
Welcome, kitty fans of all ages, to our whiskerful Adventure Bay Cat Show. Excellent. Now, go prepare our big surprise, and you may fire at will. Aw, is there anything more beautiful than a tub of muddy kitties? Oh dear! This has turned into a feline fiasco!
I'd better call Ryder.
Hi, Katie. How's the cat show going?
Terrible! The kittens are everywhere and covered with mud. If we don't round them up soon, the cat show will be ruined.
We're on it. No job is too big, no pup is too small.
Thank goodness you're here. I'm so worried about those kitties.
We've got this, Katie. Marshall, Rubble, get your crane and ladder ready. We've got kittens to rescue. Phew! That's all of them, Katie.
Thanks, Paw Patrol. Now the cat show can go on.
Rusty loses the bits.
Okay, Botasaur. Only one more thing left to tune up. Say,
Looks like the bits found a balloon. Whoa!
Your balloon popped.
Sorry, guys. That was our last one.
I know you want more balloons, but it's not a good idea for you to go into town alone.
We'll take you after we finish tuning up Botasaur. So just wait a little bit. Bits? All right, big guy. One more time.
Balloon! Ah! Balloon, 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 balloon! 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 Balloon!
Oh, well, hello, Bits. It's your lucky day. Everyone who visits my store today gets a free balloon.
Wow! Yeah! Uh-oh. Ow! Hey, oh! Wait, hold it on!
And your tune-up is done. How do you feel, boy? Good? Yep, you're good.
Now we can take the bits to get a new balloon. Where are the bits?
Where could the bits be?
Whirly, have you seen the other bits? No. I wonder where they are.
Jack! Crush! Ray!
Bits! Oh, no!
They must have left the yard. We need to find them. It's gonna be dark soon.
No problem. I'll contact them with my tablet. Bits, where are you? Their signals are breaking up. I'm having some trouble reaching them. They must be far away. Let me try boosting the signal. Hey, I'm getting an image for Crush. He's in the clouds.
Crush can't fly.
I'm still not getting anything on Ray. And all I know about Jack is he's stuck in snow.
The only snowy place around here is the top of Planter's Peak.
Our friends could be in real trouble. Don't worry, guys. We'll rescue Jack somehow. And Crush, too. And we need to figure out where Ray is.
We need something that can do all of that.
Let's combine it
and design it. We'll start with Botasaur, because he's the bravest dino I know.
Next, we'll add propellers so we can fly.
Then, to help get the bits out of trouble, we'll give Botasaur a new deluxe rescue tail. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. customized, rustified. The rip-roaring rescue saurus is ready for takeoff.
All right! Let's get those bits.
Hang on, Whirly. You should stay here. We don't want you getting lost, too.
Let's go!
Take off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, boy! We'll find them. Don't worry.
Rusty, Crush's signal's coming in strong now. He must be close.
Ruby, I see him. He really is in the clouds, flying with a balloon?
Well, that explains where Crush went.
Come on, Botasaur. Let's bring him in. We'll save you, Crush. Setting rescue tail to grabbing mode. We got you, Crush.
Woohoo! Now Jack should be just ahead of you on Planner's Peak.
Jack! Jack! Jack!
Over here!
There he is! Jack, Ruby is waiting at the bottom of the hill. Roll down to her.
Okay!
Setting rescue tail to snowboard mode. Heads up, Jack! Jack, hop on the snowboard and slide down to Ruby.
Nice! Oh, Ray's signal's coming in. Rusty, I think Ray is stuck in a cave.
Let's check it out.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Look, a light. Ray is in the cave.
But the cave is too small for Rescuesaurus to fit inside. Someone has to go in and help Ray climb back out.
I'll do it.
Great. And to make sure you don't get stuck too, I'll set the rescue tail to cave rescue mode.
I'm coming, Ray.
Oh no! The tail stopped.
Just a little more rope, please, Rusty. I got him.
We'll pull you out.
There you go. I know how Crush got so far away, but what about you two?
Balloons for you too, huh? You should have waited, guys. I'm just glad you're all right. Come on, let's go home.
Yeah, Whirly's going to be so happy to see you.
Whirly, we're back. We found them.
Where is she? I hope she didn't go looking for us. Oh no, she did. She's far away and her signal's breaking up. She's sending pictures.
All I see is blurry green stuff.
Hey, wait a second.
It looks like a tree.
Yeah, a tree in the forest.
Whirly's stuck in the forest.
Oh no, Whirly!
Come on, we've got to save her. Whirly! Whirly! We've been looking everywhere for her, and now that it's getting dark, it'll be even harder.
Wait!
Yes, we can use Ray.
No!
You light, we'll look. To the left. To the right. Over here. I still can't see her.
Little Whirly. We were worried about all of you today. Please remember to listen next time and not go out on your own.
You know, I have a great way to celebrate finding all the bits. That snowboard tail looked pretty fun.
Red's green thumb. Today's mega mission goes to Rescue Red. Yes, sir, Master. You'll deliver the bag of super duper seeds from port station to farm station.
I feel the need to seed.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
One bag of super duper seeds. Ship shape and ready to cruise on out of here.
Seed belts fastened and ready to go.
Bye,
Farewell. Approaching Camp Itchy Station.